Hey guys, Luke here. We're doing another Porsche shoot, or actually we're doing, not another, but we're doing a Porsche shoot in Vancouver. We got Terrel here as well. We're heading to another location closer to like, I don't know, like, where's it, like, you know, the docks area?
Granville Island-ish.
Granville Island area. We got a Porsche Steve and a GT4, so, which is really awesome. And then, yeah.
I'm sorry, Steve, we have to go this way.
We have to go down the spiral. It's a little narrow, but hopefully Steve makes it. Alright, so we're out in Vancouver right now. Steve's the owner. We've got Terrel as the other photographer, shooting on the Sony A7 IV with the 24-70 from Sigma, and a messy ass CPL that I will clean right now. But beautiful Porsche GT4. Got the Church of Vancouver in the background, nice parkade, sunset now, and it's going to be a good shoot.
Oh, the lighting over there is pretty nice. Is that like a reflection?
I think it is.
Of which one?
Like over there.
A little
Oh, yeah. It might be a reflection off the building.
Thing over here.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, okay, yeah, there you go. That's blinding, holy.
That's sick, though. Should we move?
We can move, yeah. All good, all good. Right there's even pretty good. Yeah, right there. Whew. Sun flare time?
Holy. Good catch.
Holy. You have a pro mist?
Yeah.
I haven't
even paying attention.
I haven't missed. It's all I shoot with. Okay, maybe we should take off the pro mist. It's a little harsh in the sun.
Yeah.
Got all you guys shooting. You're in the corner.
Nice.
This is nuts. The glare from the sun. Oh. Tried to get a sun flare in the lens a little bit.
Ooh, that's good.
Nice.
Tried to, but it's a little dark, but
Yeah.
Post?
yeah, we'll see. I can always just add a sun flare too.
Yeah, true.
I'm guessing you maybe have Instagram for your...
Oh yeah, I
Okay.
do. I was just
What?
about to ask you.
What is yours?
stv.k.
Sweet, okay.
That's me.
Perfect.
Awesome, dude. Luke, what's your Instagram?
By Luke Miller. I think I just followed you.
I think a friend of mine got
Prints
my
from me?
car or something.
Yeah.
Got a print from you.
Possibly, yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I like what you do.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Super fun.
I don't have the printer today, unfortunately.
When do you leave again? On Wednesday?
2. And then I'll be back Monday night.
Nice.
So we can do the...
Like, hit, and then I was like, I need to do something exciting. Like, with my life. Instead of, like, I was, like, so bummed to, like, go back to work.
Yeah,
I
I've been
was like-
pretty pooped too. I'm like, nothing interesting.
Yeah. I was like, 'cause I was fighting the jet lag. Look at the little, like, on a trip. Nice, like, get, like, I can actually get up and do something fun. You get up at home and you're just like,
Yeah,
what is it?
maybe I'll eat something. I usually go like
Yeah.
but this year it's nice. I was supposed to go in January. But then my friend is getting married. August. Might go to
I've heard that one's like also perfect.
So that's the thing. Like auto salon, you got world international coverage.
Yeah.
You got the international brands, all the big brands over there. So like what I want to see is like yeah. What I want to see. So that's where you see like 8 cars on
Like there's some tourists, but it was like so much quieter than like, especially like the main spots in Kyoto. So it's like, I don't know.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good. Just let me know if you guys want me to move the car or anything.
No, it should be good. When it was the sun was getting into the rotors.
Oh, that's pretty neat. Yeah.
And then some interiors.
Nice. Yeah. Those seats are one of the big reasons why I bought the car.
Oh, they're awesome.
Yeah,
They're optional, but
Yeah, I also got it when the sun was on like the GT. It's hard to see, but
oh, nice. Yeah. That looks great.
so
Perfect.
get some ultra wides on the 16 mil. Get some more shots. Get some detail stuff.
How are you doing down here? I'm thinking going up one floor.
Sweet. Ready? Yeah. 16 mil does some justice.
Nice.
Oh yay! I got 1 cent from Facebook. Woo. So that's like what, $100 in Canadian?
Yeah, I'm thinking that side.
Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Hey Terrell, you're gonna like this shot. The mirror reflection of Vancouver lookout.
I'm getting that right now.
Oh.
It looks good. I didn't even realize it until I was like, I'm like, look at the photo.
You get like.
This thing needs to get out of the way.
I know, literally.
I'll just go through and try and activate my Evo account right now. Just yell at me when you want to do that.
Yep.
And then, like, stand in a good spot.
Cap. Sounds good.
Really nice here with a reflection of light.
Yeah. It's nice right by the Evo as well. Like right like next to the door.
Yes.
Oh yeah, right here is really nice. Yeah, here's some. Well, what are you on Cup 2s?
Tires?
Yeah.
No, these are actually Nantang CRS.
Okay, because they almost look like slicks a little bit.
Yeah, it's like a 200 tread wear.
Okay.
Pretty aggressive tire. I used to run Cup 2s. These
Okay.
are more grippy.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah, but it's like a more budget tire. All of our friends run it, like for track day.
Oh, okay, nice.
Yeah.
If you punch in all the way to 70, you get like a nice sun flare at the front right, like here.
Ooh. That reminds me, dude, after I posted my last like Japan car spotting post, some guy that I follow, like
you should shoot through this. Shoot through there.
Ooh, double. Yeah, because I was doing just a single.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Like here.
And then I was doing double.
Double. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I love foreground.
Nice. What's the ZF?
Yeah, it's
Love Nikon.
because my first camera was a Nikon FM2 film camera.
Okay, yeah.
So many years ago. And
Yep.
then when they came out with this, I was like, shit. This
Yeah.
really takes
Gets
me
the
back.
vibe.
So
Yep. Oh, yeah, for
that's why
sure.
I'm running it down.
Nice, yeah. Yeah, I used to use the Z6. That was my first full frame.
Oh, cool.
And then before that was a 5100D.
Okay.
So it was a crop sensor.
Yeah.
But no, I still prefer Nikon color profile than
I think
anything.
So. Yeah.
It's so nice.
They were a lot better.
I never moved away.
Yeah. Yeah, no kidding. If only there was a building, like a tall building in between, like there.
Filling that little gap.
Yeah, because I would look so good for that.
Oh yeah.
Can't ever go wrong with a Porsche, though. Or sorry, Porsche. So I was about to get flamed.
What are you driving?
I drive a Mazda 3, non-speed,
Okay.
09, but it's on its third engine.
Wow.
Yeah, I've blown it up 2 times in the Massey Tunnel.
Both times in Massey Tunnel?
Yep. Don't go over. I did not learn the first time.
Okay, I see.
But no, I'm thinking of getting a GTI soon. Getting a cheaper car because I know nothing about cars.
Yeah.
Like I know most people think, oh, you shoot cars all the time. Like I know nothing. I don't even know how to do my oil.
You just admire it.
Yeah, exactly. I love shooting cars. I love cars in general.
Uh-huh.
But I want to eventually get into building cars type thing.
Yeah.
So I think starting out with like a cheaper sportish car
Uh-huh.
and then building that for my channel, just teaching people like I know nothing, but let's build it together.
Yeah.
Could be a good idea.
I just wanna.
Ooh. I'm gonna go down here with the 70 to 200.
Have you moved the car anywhere?
Should be good right now. I don't even know like half the time what to do. Sweet. I keep forgetting I have to go so far back. Oh, you're not even in the shot, don't even worry. Okay. You want to stay there for a sec, sorry?
Oh yeah.
Alright, you're good. The lights in the background look sick. Like in the office right there.
Oh, sick. Nice.
I'm not trying to actually get that. Make sure I get my CPL. Whew. Oh yeah, the F4?
F4, yeah.
Yeah, it's the version 2.
Yeah, okay.
And it's I love it.
I think mine's version 1.
Okay, yeah, this one also has macro. So I can get like really, really close detail shots. Like
Wow.
and then if you want to punch in even more,
Okay,
but
okay.
but no, I love it.
Pretty neat.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Not cheap and.
I wonder if this could be okay. If it's wide enough. Let's do some street photos. Oh, it's stupid.
We got a little bit of time.
Oh, I'm at jeez. all good, sorry. All good, all good. I got a lot of good shots because he was backlit there as well for a sec.
Oh yeah.
I'm also at f7 because I'm at 1/60th, ISO 50. Because I was like, oh yeah, I'm at 1/1000th of a second.
Oh yeah.
Like, holy
Drop it
shit.
and like drop all the settings.
Yeah, but no, it looks good. Oh, it looks really clean. And